Hey guys, Mike the Bee here with another Buzz Cut. These are live, unannounced, and I can be literally anywhere. Well, today we set up the chocolate egg display at the Contemporary Resort, and so tomorrow is the official opening of the display along with the sale of our treats. So I think I want to show you some of these eggs. But here's our sign. And then we have a whole table of eggs. These are all created by the bakery team. That one's mine. These should be up through Easter weekend. So if you're here between now and then, you can come see these in person. Oh, that one's Gabby's. Gabby is part of this group. That's hers. She did an okay job, I guess. Of course, the egg with everybody's name on it from the bakery. Oh, I see my name. The chefs, etc., etc. So yeah, so if you're here, if you are here between now and Easter time, come to the resort. They'll be here. Giant spitting golden egg. Donald Duck. But yeah, so this is my egg. Oh my god. It's inspired by, oh my god, what's her name? From Encanto. I always say the wrong name. I know it's weird. I should know who this is. I don't know if you can see this. These lights are so weird. I hate that they did these lights this year. Ooh. Alright guys, so that'll do it for me. Like I said, these are unannounced. You never know where I'm gonna be. I'm just gonna be. So see you guys later. Bye.